Guys, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make one pot Moru Koottan rice, that is dahi based curry rice. So if you are bored of cooking for one or two persons, this is a easy way to make one pot meal, like one pot sambar rice, one pot rasam rice, like that. Like we prepare khichdi. So I have taken half cup of rice, washed and soaked it in half cup of buttermilk, and added 3 cups of water in this because I want soft rice. If you want the rice little bit of grainy, you can reduce the water accordingly. I have soaked it for half an hour. I have put some curry leaves also in this. Here I have taken 50 grams of ashgard white pumpkin and 50 grams of banana. You can put vegetables like arbi, yam for the Moru Koottan. Now I'll be using half of this coconut. I've taken one green chilli, 5 to 6 peppercorns. Now half coconut of this I'll add to the mixer jar and grind to a smooth paste. In the meantime, we will add salt and turmeric powder in the cooker, the vegetables, and pressure cook this for 2 whistles. The buttermilk will curdle. To avoid that, you can add little besan while mixing the buttermilk in the rice. It's okay for me if it is curdled. So if you want, you can add the besan and the buttermilk and mix it with the rice. This has come to a boil. Now we will close the cooker and put the whistle. High heat 1 whistle and reduce the flame and keep it for 5 minutes for another whistle. In the meantime, I have ground the coconut, green chilli and peppercorns to a smooth paste. For me, this one pot meal is not a new concept because it's a 60-year-old dish, because my neighbor used to cook everything. She used to put everything in the big vessel: rice, tamarind pulp, sambar powder, vegetables, all the items required for the sambar and the rice, and she used to cook that and serve. So this is an old concept. So actually I was bored of cooking separately everything, so I thought I'll do this and prepare this one pot Moru Koottan sadam, that is rice based in buttermilk gravy. One whistle is there already. I'll reduce the flame and keep it for another whistle in sim. Temper the Moru Koottan rice with the tempering items like mustard seeds, Methi seeds, red chilli and curry leaves, and serve along with papad, kurdai, pickle, or any kind of vegetables, dry vegetables like thoran, beans thoran, or cabbage, carrot, etc. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.